I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a...
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are making veg pops which are very healthy, and we can make it with homemade items which are always available in our home. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. So let's start. Boiled potatoes, 1 chopped capsicum, fresh and boiled corn, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup breadcrumbs, freshly refined flour, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon piri piri, half a tablespoon ground pepper, half teaspoon salt. We have to be very careful while adding salt. Grate the boiled potato. Add some capsicum to the grated potatoes. Now add some corn. Add lemon juice. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add some flour, approximately 2 spoons. Add some pepper. Add all the dry ingredients like this. Add 2 spoons of breadcrumbs. Now mix it and make it like a dough. Prepared dough will be like this. Now we should refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Make pops with this dough. Your palms and make balls like this. Make the balls. Now let's coat it with water and make a slurry like this. It should be thick. Take some breadcrumbs. Of breadcrumbs you can use semolina. Now we have to put the balls in the mixture like this and coat it up very well, nicely, and then now take it out and dip it in the breadcrumbs and roll it nicely. Now keep it aside and repeat the process for all the balls. Ready, so let's try them. And pour some oil. When the oil heats up, then you can add the balls and fry them. So you can also store them in the refrigerator in an airtight container in the freezer and fry them whenever you want. A quick dressing for these pops. Powder. Take some piri piri, very little chili powder, and mix them. Let's go for plating. Our potato pops. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and click this bell icon. See you all next time in our new video. Till the time, bye.